up guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be talking extensively about how to learn and play our major chords. All the major chords are going to be in open position, and they are always your first to go to chords if this is your first day with the guitar when you're trying to noodle around and learn some chords. In the previous video, we did a few important things like parts of the guitar, how to tune your guitar, the notes of your individual strings, and we covered some few cool things. So in case if you have missed that, make sure you click on the link in the description and you'll find your way to our first video. So what are we going to do today? 5 important major chords that will help you to get your hands around your basic open chords. We will be following one of the most common and the most helpful learning method called as the Chord system. Why? Because C-A-G-E-D. All our notes, all have respective major chords. So we will be learning that in that specific order. We'll start off first with the C major, going to the A, G, E, and then D. So let's get started with the first major chord, that's the C major. So now when you look at the chord, let's look at the fretting position. What finger goes on which fret? Your ring finger, third finger, goes on the third fret of your A string. Your middle, that's second finger, goes on the second fret of your D string, and your index goes on the first fret of your B string. So if you want to know the intervals of the chords, it's C, E, and G. This becomes your C note, this is your E, your open G string, then going back to the C. So it's C, E, G, C, E, G. So technically you're playing 2 triads in this shape. That is what makes your C major chord. So take a good amount of time. Make sure you get all the fretting positions correct. Make sure that your fingers are in the right fret. You have a decent amount of strength and pressure going in while you are holding the chord. Make sure you dig into it properly. Enough pressure is coming in from your thumb and your fingers. Don't stress too much only on your fingers. Thumb is like your backbone. It's like your spinal cord. Right posture of your thumb while you're fretting will give you a crystal clear sounding chord. Make sure your fingers are curled, they're not touching the strings below it. What happens is if you are a little complacent with your fretting position and you go a little loose on it, like this, you don't want that sound. You will have to take some time and spend to find the comfortable spot for your fretting position. Sounds good, right? So make sure you spend at least 10 minutes to get your positioning right and the sound correct. So have fun with this.